Hello students, welcome to the session. Our topic for today is subtraction table. In today's session, we will understand the table of subtraction. Subtraction means taking away. Subtraction means taking away. When we take away the numbers from the total numbers, it is called as subtraction. It is called as subtraction. Let us see the table and understand it. Here students, you can see the format of subtraction table. You can see the numbers in the decreasing order. The numbers are decreasing in this direction. The numbers is from 10 to 0. Here you can see the minus sign. You can see the minus sign. Minus means subtraction, which means taking away. In this table, we will see how to do the subtraction table or how to subtract numbers. Subtraction means going backwards. As this monkey is going backwards, downwards from the ladder, like that we do subtraction. We go backwards. We go in backward direction. Here you can see two numbers are circled. Number 7 and number 6. This is the number 7 which is circled and here is the number 6 which is circled. Let's see what happens when we do minus of the number. Yes students, you can see when we subtract 7 to 6, we get number 1. We get number 1. You can see here, you have to subtract the 1 numbers or 2 or 3 numbers and you will get the answer. Like when you subtract 10 with 1, you get number 9. When you subtract 9 minus 1, you get 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. Whenever you subtract 1 from the any number, you get the 1 number before. You get number before. अगर आप किसी भी नंबर से 1 को subtract करते हैं, तब आपको before मिलता है. मतलब आपको उसका 1 number backward आ जाता है. That is your subtraction answer. Any number, when you subtract 1 in it, you get the 1 number backward. Like 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 is the backwards of 10. 9 is the backwards of 10. Here students, you can see 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. You can find out the answer in this table only. As 7 minus 6 is 1. You can see in the direction of 7 and 6, you will get the answer as 1. This is the subtraction table. This is called as subtraction table. In the table only, you can find out the answers. Subtraction means taking away. Subtraction means taking away. You know students, the sign of subtraction? Yes, I know you all know. This is the sign of subtraction. This is the sign of equals to. Subtraction means taking away. Subtraction means taking away. Subtraction means going backwards. Subtraction means going in the backwards direction. That's all for today's session. I hope you all are now understood with the concept of subtraction.